Alright, what's going on, people? Welcome back to another WWE Supercard video. Today we have a huge pack opening. So the second batch of ECW cards have arrived, and these ones are the ones that I've been waiting for. As you can see here already, we've got a CM Punk Enigma card, a John Cena. I thought this would be an Enigma card, but it's not, which is quite unfortunate. But that is an image and a half. I really like that image. It's probably one of my favorites ever. And an RVD, and I think there's a Lita as well, yeah. So we're going to be going for the big boy packs, the 3,000 credit packs. We've got 13,000 credits loaded up, so we should be able to do quite a bit. I really hope... Oh, what's this? Walk the ropes. Do we get a free go on that? No, we don't. Of course we don't. What is this? Oh, some legacy cards in there as well. Oh, I used to have that card. It came with my 2K18 special edition. I lost my old account and then it just disappeared, which was so unfortunate. What else have we got? Ooh, this is cool. Oh, I love that image. So we're going to be trying for that in a bit as well. Or should we try it now? I don't even know what this is. I can't even remember what this event was. Maybe in a bit. Walk around the board, collect the rewards until you get... We'll see. Maybe in the next video. We'll do one of them, because I really do want those images for my cards. But we're going to be going for the Rise and Fall packs. These are 3,000 credits each. Here's the odds. Not very good. I'll be real. I really want to get myself a CM Punk or John Cena. RVD and Lita. I mean, the Lita card's pretty cool, but other than that, I'm not really fussed. The two cards that I really want are John Cena and CM Punk. Oh, do we go for one of these? Oh, it's so tempting. These are all the rewards you can get. Obviously, the event cards. And we've got these. That's a really cool one. I miss having that. I think there's a John Cena one as well, isn't there? Am I being dumb? I swear there was. I don't know why they didn't put it on there. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the first pack, people. Boom. 3,000 credits spent. You can refresh these packs so you can get a different card if you didn't get the one you wanted. Boom. Oh yes, we get the John Cena. So I'm happy with that, just for the image. Obviously, higher percent chance of getting him. So yeah, I can't complain. I really do enjoy. I really do like this card. So let's keep that. Boom. Save him in. Next pack. Let me know, guys, down below. Who do you think I'm going to get? Let's drain your credits, these. Boom. Oh, we get another John Cena. But that's a John Cena Pro. So we'll be able to get a cool animation on that card. More left now. Oh, not that one. Might be worth getting them in a bit though. How many collectibles do I have? 96. Ooh. Not the best. Alright, next pack. Oh, we get another John Cena. I mean, an F1 might be good. But we haven't got the best luck in these packs. Last pack, come on. Bam! Rob Van Dam. Probably gonna change that to just another John Cena, an F2 John Cena. It will hold up. Trust me. But that's for those packs. What else do we have? Have a look. Oh my god, we got one. Oh, let's go. We got him. Woo! I was like, yes, we got the John Cena card, but man, did I really want... Yeah, but obviously, you can see it on the screen. CM Punk, let's go. Let's freaking go, man. Let's save him in. Ideally, you want a pro, but hopefully you can get one at a later date. Damn, I'm well hyped about that. Let's freaking go. Let's have a look at them. So, we will need Enigma and WrestleMania 40. Go down to the bottom. Here they are. Jeez, look at this John Cena image. That goes hard. Oh, that's a sick image, man. And then obviously the CM Punk, the young CM Punk image. That kind of goes hard as well, won't I? But we're going to keep the original. That is sick. Wonder how good he is in terms of how high he is on, like, how high he would be on my deck. Probably pretty high. Damn. But yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy that video. I most definitely did. Although we did get quite a few John Cena's, which I probably would have preferred an Enigma out of that. But yeah, if we get 10 likes on this video, I'll upload another pack opening tomorrow. If not, no worries, but hopefully this video does well. Pack opening seems to do pretty well. So hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know, guys, down below, who did you get in these packs if you did open any? Because I really do hope you I really hope you do get the best cards possible. But other than that, that's all I have to say. Peace out, people.